Welcome back to Things Tina Does. And has this ever happened to you? You're so in the mood for tacos, right? But you don't have that little seasoning packet. Darn it. Oh, my word. So I'm here to rescue you because I'll bet you got everything that you need in your little spice rack right now. So let's get into it. We have got, first of all, 4 tablespoons of chili powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to set these aside so I don't get mixed up as I go. And then cumin, ground cumin. And you're going to have 3 tablespoons of that. And guys, when you're doing stuff like this, if you're afraid you're going to really overshoot it, and I have done that, oh my word, have I done that. Get a smaller bowl or get another bowl to measure over and just measure each one into that like that. Okay, and then we have, where's my paprika? 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. 1, and just so I get it accurate, need to refill my little jar. 1.5 of that. All right, and then we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder and just a little sprinkle, a dash of cayenne. Now, if you guys, your family likes a little bit more of a kick, give it another little dash, little heavy dash. Heavy dash, light dash, dash, dash. And then you just whisk it all together like that. Oh my goodness sakes, you guys, it smells so good. Like, is it Taco Tuesday yet? I think it is. Yes. All right, and there you go, you guys. And just, you know how I'm always telling you, save these little jars, you know, when they empty out. Get one of your little jars that you've saved, or a little jelly jar, or a little Tupperware, whatever. Make sure you label it though, so you remember what it is in your cabinet. And then pour that in with your little funnel, and you're good to go. And you'll be ready for Taco Tuesday every time. And that's it for me. We'll see you next time, guys, on Things Tina Does.